Okay, today we're going to do a chicken and mushroom curry. I've got here 600 grams or 1.5 pound of chicken breast, diced up and marinated in 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half a teaspoon of chili powder and salt. Then we got 100 grams of button mushroom, diced, chopped up and soaked in a bit of water. Now in the blender I've got 3 to 4 pods of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 1 green chili and 2 medium tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, which I'm going to chop up in the blender. So now we're going to blend the tomato and ginger and garlic mix. Now that's blended, ready for the curry. Then we're going to need some old spices. That is a stick of cinnamon stick, black cardamom, 4 to 5 cloves, and 3 cardamoms, white cardamoms. Then we're going to need 2 bay leaves. These are fresh bay leaves. And the curry powders are half a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, and some turmeric powder, half a teaspoon. We'll need about a tablespoon of coconut cream, and this is the watered down coconut cream, about a cup full. And at the end we need a tablespoon and a half of almond powder. We'll need a tablespoon of ghee and a tablespoon of oil. Now I'm going to slice up 2 medium onions finely. Cinnamon stick, your cloves, your green cardamom, and your black cardamom. Now I'm going to add the onions. Give it a stir and fry it for about 3 to 5 minutes till the onions go a bit golden brown. we'll put our turmeric powder in. Put the turmeric powder in, half a teaspoon. And then add a bit of my coconut water or milk. Stir well and cook till the raw smell of the turmeric goes here for about a minute. Next we're going to add the tomato and ginger and garlic mix. Give it a stir and cook for 2 to 3 minutes till all the raw smell comes out. Now it's about 3 minutes it's been cooking and the sauce is a bit ready. We'll start to add our curry powders. First I'll add the coriander, the jeera and chili powder and the fennel seed powder. Fry for about 2 to 3 minutes again, all the spices. Add a bit of coconut milk so it doesn't burn the pan. Give it a stir. For about 3 minutes, I'm going to add my chicken, marinated chicken. And give it a nice stir. I'm not adding any salt because I've already added the salt in the marinated chicken. But if it's not enough, if the salt is not sufficient, you could add a bit more. Add a bit of water, not a lot. Now it's been simmering for about 3 minutes. I would add my coconut milk. And let the chicken cook for another 5 to 8 minutes. Cover it up and let it cook. Remove the lid and give it a stir. And if it's too watery, just leave the lid off and let it cook. Because it's chicken breast, it cooks quickly. Okay, now we're going to put the mushrooms in the curry and let it cook together with the chicken. Give it a stir. Now the chicken and mushroom are cooked. I'm going to add my almond powder to it. It's about 1.5 tablespoon of almond powder, powdered almond. Give it a stir, stir it all well. Just cook it a little bit till the gravy is a bit more thicker. We don't want it too thick. You know, this is a bit watery still. So just a little bit more and then it's ready. Just give it another 3 minutes and then it'll be done. Give it a stir. We don't want the curry too thick or we don't want it too watery. That's the right. Good. Like that. So that's done now. So we switch off the gas and your chicken and mushroom curry is ready.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment in the box below.